My name is Emily Tompkins. I'm the Director of Supply Partnerships here at Veryable, and I've been here for 4 years. So what I do is I identify and implement new partnerships that we believe would benefit our operators. So they can range anywhere from healthcare partnerships to cash back to skill training. So that's basically what I do. And then I also run the affiliate marketplace, and that is located in the app, and that is where operators can find all of the partnerships that we have set in place for them. So what I've most enjoyed about this position is I get to see how our partnerships are actually impacting our operators' lives. So it's really cool to see how excited they are whenever we roll out a new partnership and how appreciative they are about it, and getting to see how it enriches their lives even more. My favorite part about being here at Veryable is getting to see how we are impacting business users, but also the operators at the same time. So for our business users, we're addressing those operational problems that they're experiencing day to day in their business, but also for operators, we are enabling them to have more flexibility in their lives so they can pick when, where, and however often they want to work, but also they get the opportunity to get paid daily. So they can kind of switch around at different businesses, gain all this different experience. So it's really cool to be addressing both sides of the equation, and that's kind of what I enjoy about working at Veryable.